Okay, so this is the bottle baby warmer. It turns on right here. You gotta plug it in. It's a 3-pronger. Alright, see, it's on. So, to add water. There's a little measuring cup. There's more. You would turn this on. Put your bottle in there. Let it warm up. When it is warm, it will turn green. It is red right now. Also, you can put a can of baby food inside. Just pour it in, and it will heat it for you.